Kind sir, what an honor it is to meet you.
No?
I'd appreciate a conversation with you, noble man, but unfortunately it is rather hard for me to breathe out here. Ooh. Would you do me a fine favor and let me back into the river?
No.
No? Sir, I'm not an ordinary fish. If you had a wish, I could fulfill it.
No.
Sir, there's definitely something that you want. You can ask for anything, you know, but how about 10 salmon,
No.
New shoes? Fancy clothes? Just ask. You prefer money, sir? Something to line your pocket? No? Property then. Nice big house for family. Is this your home, sir? Sir, let me back into the water. I can fix this hut up for you. Children.
No.
Hello there. Dreaming of university? Traveling? Traveling the world?
No.
Anything?
No.
Oh, hello there, madam. Hello, help.
No.
Help. Hello, yes, you can see me.
No.
I could make you a queen, you know.
No.
I can, you know. I can. For God's sakes. What's going on? I'm a goldfish. You don't understand. English. Parlez-vous français? Espagnol. Italiano. Paruski. You're not planning to eat me, are you?
No.
Üles alla juuksed valla taevaservad kiigun alla vabana kui sinikirju lind. Siia-sinna lendu minna arm ja rõõm kui täidab rinna maailmas vaid ilu hoiab mind. Üles alla juuksed valla taevaservad kiigun alla vabana kui sinikirju lind. Siia-sinna lendu minna arm ja rõõm kui täidab rinna maailmas vaid ilu hoiab mind. Maailmas vaid ilu hoiab mind.